Nice.
Hill climb. Hill climb.
Sorry. Yeah, keep her in it.
Not to talk shit or anything.
Hey, look what it dug though.
Hey, actually, you know what? Just keep spinning. Fix this for us.
Yeah, for real, fix it.
Starter clutch. Doing it good. Here, let's just pull the up.
You gonna pull it up?
John, doing it, guys. I don't hold nothing. I swear to God, I don't.
Oh gosh.
Oh, watch your fingers.
Let's get it. Hey. Watch out, watch out. Keep going, keep going. Right here, perfect. Hell yeah, dude. John, look, he almost cleared it out for us. Cross line. Didn't you already do that? A little straight shot right there.
I guess maybe back in the day.
Pretty sure you did.
I don't know. They all blend.
Oh!
It's an Australian tree kitten.
Hang it.
You gotta get up in the tree?
Those help a lot.
Oh, almost. Good one. Ooh.
You good, Bubby?
Hey, would you just spin out?
Hey, I'm gonna pull your front end. Start it, we'll pull it up, alright?
Hey, John, take off 8 inches, then talk to me.
Oh no, I mean, I can
Oh, back down to the tree and just drag it around, huh?
I'm coming with you when we're not fucking chasing.
I'm coming with you, baby. She was like, I want to go everywhere.
She was dancing with you.
Yeah, dude, it moves really easy. I don't know why that is. Maybe it's just so light. Yeah, it does.
I got that big walnut tree.
Yeah, keep going straight down. You got that ledge coming up soon.
Oh, you're good.
Yeah, the good content. Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Watch it, so it rolls on down.
I'm gonna tap this part, huh?
Yeah, I know. Yep.
Pick that up from the grab bar, Keegan.
Clutch in, she'll drop down, you're good.
Wait, we have a new line right here.
Yeah.
Just that one in particular. None of the rest of them are fun.